in today's video, we're going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day look, and this is a colorful look. I'm super excited to be doing this, and here we go. So first, I already have my eyes primed and everything, and I'm going to go in with the Ultimate palette from BH. This is a 42 Ultimate eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the more of the yellow and orange warmer tones as a translucent color. Usually I go for more of a deeper brown, but I decided I want to go with more of a orange and yellow neutral tone. So I'm going to apply it to the crease. And then I went in with a more of a bright pink, and this is a pink, and I was going to say their pinks are very, very pigmented, and I don't have a problem with them staining my eyes, because you know sometimes pink eyeshadows do stain eyes sometimes, but I never really had that issue just yet, so fingers crossed that we do not. And then I'm going to go in with a blue, and then I'm going to be taking the blue and I'm going to be applying it kind of like over layering the shadows so we can get that rainbow effect, because your girl was layering these shadows on top and on top of each other. So now we're going to also go in and we're going to be cutting the crease, and I'm going to use my favorite, and you guys, when I say my favorite concealer right now is the NYX Concealer. So this concealer, I'm so glad that NYX came out with it, because I can actually really work with this concealer onto my under eyes and also to my lids. I don't have to worry about it fast drying or anything. It is so good. I'm going to take that blue and reconnect to the lower lash line and then bring it upward. And then also, I'm going to make sure I clean up around the areas, because sometimes when you apply concealer or you don't set it all the way, it's easier if you have eyeshadow landing onto the concealer. You can blend it out very, very well, and it's so great. Then I'm going to be taking the palette again. I think I just used mainly all of the 42 Ultimate Eyeshadow palette until I got to the second layer of the second part of the lid. And I'm going to take orange eyeshadow from that palette, the same orange that we used in the crease, and I'm going to pack it all over the lid. Then I went in with the Rio palette, and I took some of the green and I kind of make sure I overlapped it. I did not like how the orange was looking at first, but I went back in with the green. I kind of overlapped the orange with the green with the orange, because it made it look more beautiful and it made more sense. So now I'm going to be going in. I'm going to be, you know, fixing up some colors, especially where they don't look too well blend, but I'm just going to fix it up, fix it up, fix it up. So I'm just fixing up the colors, making sure everything looks good. Sometimes you got to do that. After I mix up the colors and everything and blended it out, I'm going to pop on some eyeliner, which is the same eyeliners I've been using since I brought them. I will have it linked, well, not linked, I will have it listed below, okay? Because your girl can never get that name right for nothing, people. And I'll pop on some lashes, and that should complete the St. Patrick's Day look. And the eyeliner made the orange look better as a eyeliner shade than actually on the lid.